No permission was given to speak. Get out, everybody, including everybody.
This is exactly the manner in which everyone was asked to leave the courtroom of Magistrate Anne McLennan this morning, after a phone rang during the proceedings. Defendants, complainants, attorneys, and members of the media were barred from entering the court until 11:30 hours. The man at the center of the issue is a relative of John Rudolph Singh, who was charged with causing public terror. When questioned about his phone ringing in the courtroom, he denied and gave an explanation of what transpired.
Sir, can I just talk to you for a minute?
Don't talk to me now.
Your phone rang inside the court. Why?
No, my phone did not ring inside the court.
It didn't?
I saw other people in the court on their phone, and what I did immediately, after realizing that, was turn off my phone.
But you didn't?
But you didn't.
I had no phone calls. In respect of the court, I switched it off and keep it to the nearest.
It was already on silence. You just turned it off.
Right?
Usually, the orderly at the court would pre-warn court attendees to have all cell phones turned off before entering the courtroom. Any defaulter would have his or her mobile phone confiscated by the magistrate, which will be returned after court in the afternoon. However, that was not the case today. The orderly indicated to Magistrate McLennan that he was unable to determine which phone rang since no one acknowledged or even tried to identify the individual. This then prompted the magistrate to order everyone out of the court and instructed the orderly not to allow anyone to re-enter unless the phone is handed over. When questioned again why he didn't identify himself, this was the man's response.
Why didn't you say it's my phone that rang?
Because nobody asked me if it's my phone rang. Nobody asked me. Nobody asked. Nobody asked.
So, sir. Sir?
Listen to you.
Would you make a public apology for us being outside of court?
I will always make a public apology with a good explanation that after I saw other people in court talking to their phone or speaking with their phone, I decided to make sure that I don't have a problem by turning off my phone. And I am very sorry. Next time what the magistrate need to have the clerk, no phones allowed in here. Please turn off.
So you didn't know that?
I did not know that. I don't come to court. This is the first time.
All right.
Thank you.
Dexter Phil this midday had the charge of causing death by dangerous driving read to him when he made his appearance before Magistrate Anne McLennan in the Georgetown Magistrates Court. The accused, who was represented by attorney Leslie Sobers, pleaded not guilty when the charge was read to him. On Tuesday, August 12, 2014, at Friendship, East Bank, Demerara, Phil drove motorcar PPP 2299 in a dangerous manner, thereby causing the death of Delon Michael Harlequin. According to attorney Sobers' submission, it is not clear whether the accident occurred on the public road or on a private property. He stated that since his client was heading into the Friendship gas station when the accident occurred, that would be private property and that does not fall under the Traffic Act. This, he said, will therefore be dependent on the measurement taken by the traffic rank who visited the scene. The facts of the prosecution stated that the defendant was making a turn into the gas station when he collided with Harlequin, who was riding a motorcycle at the time. He was picked up in an unconscious state and rushed to the Diamond Diagnostic Center, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. The defendant was placed on $400,000 bail with conditions that he reports to the Mackenzie Police Station and that he lodges his passport with the court. His next date of return will be on the 22nd of October. And Alan Roach was sentenced to 3 years along with a fine of $30,000 after pleading guilty to having in his possession 9 grams of cocaine for the purpose of trafficking. He too made his appearance before Magistrate McLennan today at the Georgetown Magistrates Court. Roach was unrepresented. For HGP in the court, I'm Ralston Elliott.